How to clear iCloud storage and free up the space. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, begin with tapping the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Now once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is tap on your name Apple ID at the top and navigate to your Apple ID settings. Now that you can see iCloud option available, simply tap on the iCloud and navigate to the iCloud settings page. Now there you can see apps option available. Simply tap on the see all from there and you will be navigated to the list of apps that are synced with your iCloud. Now what you have to do is simply tap on any. Now so I want to delete the photos from my iCloud backup, then tap on the iCloud photos. And once you tap on the iCloud photos, you will get to see the toggle off switch available there at the sync this iCloud or shared albums option available. Simply toggle off that switch, and if you tap on the OK, then all your backed up files will be deleted and your iCloud storage will be free of space. But if you do not want to delete the iCloud photos, then you can delete or toggle off the switch of unnecessary apps you are using for the iCloud. So here I am disabling all the apps that I do not use to free up my iCloud storage. So you can do the same. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.